Can you help support the future of STEM? Did you know that under 10% of life science professionals, 15% of academics, and just 6% of doctors come from working class backgrounds? This diversity divide leaves little hope for underrepresented voices to reach their potential and impedes our ability to deliver continuous innovation. The InterScience UK programme gives you the chance to make a difference by giving Year 12 students access to high quality opportunities to support their career journey. The InterScience UK programme gives you the chance to make it easy for researchers and STEM professionals to engage students through an invaluable programme of mentoring, research, online workshops and in-person experiences over the summer. Thanks to our community of STEM volunteers, partners and supporters, we've helped more than 2,000 young people to kickstart their careers. Help disadvantaged young people become the next generation of researchers, programmers, engineers and more. Find out how you can be involved at www.interscienceuk.org or email info@interscienceuk.org.